Dublin is a city that knows how to celebrate. From music festivals to street parades, there's always a reason to smile. The streets come alive with rhythm, colour and laughter, especially during events like St. Patrick's Day. And when the music fades, Dublin's stories remain, written in stone, glass and time. Let's start with Trinity College, Ireland's oldest university, and home to the majestic Long Room Library. Inside, the Book of Kells awaits, a masterpiece of medieval artistry. Not far from here, Dublin Castle has stood for centuries, guarding secrets of kings and rebels. Craving nature? Phoenix Park is your escape, home to wild deer and peaceful views. Walk along the River Liffey, and don't miss the Halfpenny Bridge, a symbol of Dublin's timeless charm. Ready for some fun? Head to Temple Bar, where music spills into the streets and the night never ends. Shop, watch performers, and feel the heartbeat of Grafton Street. Then, dive into flavour and history at the Guinness Storehouse, where every pint tells a story. End your journey at St. Patrick's Cathedral. Peaceful, powerful, and unforgettable. This is Dublin, alive with culture, history, and heart.